So I bought the iPhone SE off of eBay for just $30, and this isn't going to be the iPhone SE 2 or the iPhone SE 3 since I already have these devices. Instead, this is going to be the original iPhone SE from 2016. And let's get straight to an unboxing. And I definitely think that I got a good deal on this device because this is basically an iPhone 6s in the body of an iPhone 5s. So I'm still going to be able to use basic applications on this device. And by the way, in case you're wondering, it's the 16GB model. And right inside here is the iPhone SE. And here it is. So it might have scratches here on the back, but as far as I can tell, on the front, there's no serious scratches here. And this was actually the last iPhone to include a headphone jack. This was in 2016. And at the time, the iPhone 7 was already released. So I cleaned this entire device right now, and some things that I noticed is that first off, on the back, there's a crack here right next to the camera. The front is perfectly fine. Also, it has an old style of volume buttons, which has a plus and minus symbols. And the size of the screen is really small. It's about the same size as the iPhone 5, which has a 4-inch screen from one corner to the other. Now I did check if this device had battery on it, and unfortunately it did not, so I'm going to go ahead and charge this off camera. So I've set up the iPhone, and fortunately it is not activation locked, so I really do think that I got a good deal on it. Now unfortunately, this iPhone only goes up to iOS 15, but I still do get occasional bug fixes, so there's not a huge problem with that. Now as for the camera isn't so good, but it can capture basic photos if that's what you need. And as for the speeds, it's about as fast as the iPhone 6s, and this isn't all that good, but it still allows you to browse the web and watch YouTube perfectly fine without a whole lot of problems. Now as for the display, the screen resolution is pretty awful, but because the screen is so tiny, you won't really notice the awful display quality. Now that is it for the iPhone SE unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next.